In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress a video using VLC Media Player. VLC is completely free, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it's one of the easiest ways to reduce video file size without installing any extra software. This is perfect if you need to upload a video faster, save storage space, or send a video through email or messaging apps. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you've never done this before, you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and launch VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Media. From the drop-down menu, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media window, which is where you choose the video you want to compress. Next, click the Add button on the right side of the window. Browse your computer and select the video file you want to compress, then click Open. You'll now see your video listed in the selection box. Once your video is added, look down at the bottom right and click the Convert/Save button to move on to the next step. Now we're at the most important part of the process. Under the Profile section, you'll see a drop-down menu with different output formats. To compress your video, select a compressed format, such as Video H.264 plus MP3 in MP4. This format offers a great balance between video quality and file size, and it works on almost all devices and platforms. If you want more control over how much the video is compressed, click the small wrench icon next to the Profile dropdown. This opens the Profile settings window. Here, click on the Video Codec tab. You can reduce the bitrate to make the file smaller, or change the frame rate to something like 30 frames per second, which is more than enough for most videos. Lowering these settings will reduce file size, but keep in mind that going too low can affect quality, so adjust carefully. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. After that, choose where you want the compressed video to be saved. Click Browse, select a destination folder, and give your file a new name so it doesn't overwrite the original. Make sure the file extension ends with .mp4. When everything looks good, click Save, and then click Start. VLC will now begin compressing your video. The progress bar will move as the conversion runs, and the time it takes will depend on the length and size of your video. Once it's finished, your compressed video will be saved to the destination folder you selected. And that's it. You've successfully compressed a video using VLC Media Player completely for free. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.